fix app was unable to play this video, try to play it with external player Telegram problem. So if you want to fix app was unable to play this video, try to play it with an external player on Telegram problem, then what you need to do is you just need simply go with your settings at first. Once you're under your settings, you need to scroll down and go with the apps section. Under apps, you can go with see all apps, scroll down and you need to find Telegram. And after opening your Telegram on your settings, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. Once you've cleared your cache, you can go with the permissions, and under your permissions, make sure that you've allowed all of the permissions. Once you allow the permissions, now you need to go back again and you need to open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, go with search, and under search, you need to search for Telegram. After searching for Telegram, if you have any updates under your Telegram, you need to go and update the application. Once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go with the video in which you're facing the problem. So go with your gallery or your albums and choose the video. Like for example, if I'm facing a problem with this video, then you need to just go with more option, which is on the bottom right, and tap on rename. Once you tap on rename, now here while renaming the video, you need to rename this. Like if you have something like unknown or any other option on at the last of your video, then you just need simply remove that and then go with .mp4 and then go with OK. Go with manually modify and then go with OK. And after renaming it, now you can play the video and your problem will be solved. Or else you can also restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.